last class what we have done actually orthogonal transformation completed. And Cayley-Hamilton theorem we have completed. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So orthogonal completed, Cayley-Hamilton completed. Cayley-Hamilton, then they give a power 4 also you can able to do, a square also. That is what a inverse also you can able to do. Okay, next we see what topic.
Sir, I was having a doubt.
Yes,
Hello.
tell me.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I was having a doubt in a to the power 4 pre-multiplication.
Not in what?
Sir, in pre-multiplication, a to the power 4, the one given in the assignment.
A to not a to the power 4. Already a cube is what multiplied by a.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir.
Already a cube in our in the hand available. So to get a power 4, you will do
a cube into a.
A cube into a.
Okay, sir.
Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Next. See, bilinear form is what? Take two linears you have to take and write. So how you will get maybe you will get f of x, right? You can write in matrix form. How do you get actually? x1, x2, x3, xn. Then you will have actually a11, a1n, then m1n, a, mn, y1, y2, y3, so on, yn. Sir, this is actually matrix, row matrix. What is the order of this matrix? What is the order of this matrix?
Nth order, sir.
Mth order. Then no, that is what? M by 1. Correct? Row matrix x1, x2, x3, xm, m elements are there. So what
Sir,
is the order?
Sir, it will be 1 by m.
Acha. 1 by m. Okay. Right. This is y1, y2, y3, yn means?
Column matrix.
Order is what?
M by 1.
N by 1. Correct? But this matrix what?
M by n.
M by n. So here, how many rows in my A matrix, that much of x you can take. How many columns are there, that much of y you can take. Then matrix you can form actually. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This they may write actually x dash a y. One is a row matrix, one is column matrix. Yes. If you multiply this, what you will get? Tell me how you will get. First row, first column is what you will get? A11 x1 that row. Then x1 y1 like this you will get. Correct or not? So maybe you will get actually whole equation. How you will get? A11 x1 y1 A12 x1 y2 plus A1n x1 yn plus so on you will get. So finally what you will get? A m1 xm y1 am2 means what? xm y2 so on am this is a quadratic form. From this, if you want, you can write matrix form. You can write. This is called matrix form. X dash A y. Clear, sir? Any problem? Hello? Clear? Say yes or no.
Sir,
Clear,
this is
sir.
for the fourth question, sir. For the last
Huh?
question in the sheet.
What question? Tell me.
This is for the question, the last question in the sheet you gave us.
Assignment, okay. What is the
Yeah.
question?
Is this the last question? Is this for the last question or it is a new topic, sir?
No, I will not check it. I tell you actually, my laptop is not working today. See, I'll tell
No,
you.
sir. I'm asking. This is a new topic, sir. Bilinear form.
No. Lot of topics there in this unit. Nature of the quadratic equations are there. Positive definite, negative definite, semi-definite, lot of things. Another one topic is there. Still topics are there, sir. Don't worry. You have to write orthogonal form. You have to write actually canonical form. You have to write. Lot of things are there. Quadratic they will do. From there you have to find out canonical form. Things are there. 2-3 topics are there. Don't worry. I will tell you when it's become last. This is not last topic.
Not last, a new topic.
Yeah, this is new topic. We are writing form actually. Bilinear form and quadratic form.
Could you explain it again? I was having some network problems. I couldn't see.
See, the given matrix is a bilinear form means what? Maybe if we have A1, X1, one linear form, two variable X1, Y1, X2, Y2, Xn, Yn means what you can take in row X1, X2, X2m. This is the matrix A11, A12, A1n. Then Y1, Y2 you can take as a column. So you can take X dash AY. If they give the bilinear, bilinear, two linears form.
Sir, your mic is not clear. Sir,
What?
your mic is not clear, sir.
That's why today is morning onwards, lot of problems are there actually.
Sir, video is also blurred. Sometimes it's coming blur.
What?
Sir, we can't see your board.
The screen blurred, sir.
Network issue is today fully low network actually. Morning onwards, I'm not able to take classes also. Otherwise, you will do some sums actually today better.
You can do questions which you already taught, sir, because we
Yeah,
can't
that we
understand
can
what
do
you're
actually. I will
speaking
give the questions you can do actually. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
That is
Yesterday
better.
also you gave us one question before going.
Which question I given? Hey,
This is the
Wait,
orthogonal, Cayley-Hamilton theorem.
what question I given? Tell me.
137.
Wait. Okay. One problem I will give you. You can try actually. This is new problem. Slowly you can try. A is equal to, note down matrix. New topic again, I will take this, sir, don't worry. A is equal to 2, 1, 1. First row is what? 2, 1, 1. Zero, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2. Copied. Tell me what is the A? Read out.
Sir, 2 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 2.
1, 1, 2. Then hence evaluate the matrix equation. Hence evaluate the matrix equation A to the power of 8 minus 5A to the power of 7 plus 7A to the power of 6 minus 3A to the power of 5 plus A to the power of 4 minus 5A cube minus 8A square plus 2A minus I is equal to what? No. This value is asking what is this value?
Sir, we will get a new matrix then.
No. You don't get actually matrices. He is asking A power 8 minus 5A power 7, 7A 6 minus 3A to the power of 5 plus A power 4 minus 5A cube minus 8 square plus 2A minus I is equal to what he is asking. You have to simplify. For simplifying,
Yes,
what you will do? First, you can find characteristic equation. Find characteristic equation. Tell me, then I will help you. Find out. Slowly, you can do characteristic equation.
Sir, using Cayley-Hamilton, we can do this.
Characteristic equation means what? Lambda
Yes,
will get by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Put lambda is equal to A. Come on.
Yes, sir. Then A cube and all that.
First, you can find characteristic equation. Tell me what is CH?
Sir, can you please repeat the question once? Actually, I got disconnected.
Where I will go, sir? A power 8 minus 5A to the power of 7 plus 7A to the power of 6 minus 3A to the power of 5 plus A to the power of 4 minus 5A cube minus 8A square plus 2A minus I. Evaluate the following matrix value is asking. He is not asking prove that this is equal to 0 like this. This value
Okay.
what he is asking. A is given. A is what? 2, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2. So from this what you understand? From Cayley-Hamilton at least I will get third degree equation. I try to do from third equation something I want to do and I will attack. First you can find CH equation. A minus lambda is equal to 0. Find out first.
So I'm getting lambda cube minus
Wait,
5
wait.
lambda square plus lambda minus 3.
Tell me again.
Lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus lambda minus 3.
No, wrong.
7 lambda. 7
Any one
lambda.
of you again?
Lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus 7 lambda minus 3.
7 lambda?
Minus 3 is equal to 0.
Anyone same, everything same. Anyone again? Any other fellow I can tell? Other than these boys, any one of you tell what is the answer? Anyone? Others? All been given, Alan given. Devian given. Tell me, Arjuna. Yeah.
Lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus 7 lambda minus 3 is equal to 0.
So, I am believing you. Take on. Tell me, sir. Yash, tell me. Same answer or not? Different answer you got, all of you.
Sir, I am getting a different answer.
Then tell, what is your answer?
Sir, lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus 7 lambda minus 8.
Wrong. Minus 3 you have to get. Try again. Try.
Yes.
Try and tell me. Take 2 minutes, no problem.
So I'm getting lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus lambda. I'm not getting 7 lambda.
That is also wrong.
Sir, I got -3 and
Sir,
yeah.
what is S1, sir? 2, 1 plus 2, S1. What is S2? What is S3?
Seven,
You can find
seven.
out what is the. S3 is what? 3. Determinant of A.
Yes, sir.
Check it. You are using S1, S2, S3, or how you are doing? Directly or
Yes, sir.
expanding? Already you know how to attack.
Sir, lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus 7 lambda minus 3 equal to 0.
Very good.
Yes,
Nice.
sir. That's
So everyone we are agreeing with these boys. Correct? Though girl students are there? Only one girl, I think so, Kajal. What are you doing or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Very good. Same answer, different answer.
The same answer.
Hey, don't tell. Really?
The lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus 7 lambda
Hey, no,
minus 3.
come on. Tell again. Come on.
Lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus 7 lambda minus 3.
First, what you said?
The same answer.
Minus 7 lambda square, you said. Now
Yes,
clear,
sir,
okay? Yeah.
Plus 7 lambda.
Okay. Now, everyone got this is the answer. So I'm skipping the steps. You can write characteristic equation CH is equal to A minus lambda is equal to 0. Then you will get the equation. So lambda cube okay, yeah. Now write by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, what you will get? A cube minus 5A square plus 7A plus 3I is equal to 0. It's taken for granted, no doubt. Am I correct or not?
yes, sir.
By Cayley-Hamilton theorem, this is true always.
Sir, it's -3, no, sir.
Huh?
Last, it's -3. A cube minus 5A square plus 7A square minus 3.
Very good. Sorry, minus 3. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now come on. This is, we know that. From this equation, can you prepare that equation C?
Yes.
From here, if I take A power 5 common,
No.
what will happen? Tell me.
0, sir.
So we'll get the previous equation. We'll get the previous the a cube minus 5a square plus 7
What
minus
is that?
3a.
What is the Cayley-Hamilton equation? That equation will be always 0. So, taking this fellow, what I will do from this A power 5, I will take common. So, what I will do? If they ask big expressions, means what? Like that you have to attack. Your aim is what? Always you can bring to up to third degree or below third degree, means you can stop. After that, you are not able to go. 8 means what? Maximum try to degree. Up to third degree, I have some equation in my hand. So, try to solve. 5a square plus the same thing, A power 4 so this fellow is equal to what, sir? By Cayley-Hamilton theorem.
0.
See, how many terms I escaped? We see 1, 2, 3, 4 terms I escaped now, nicely. Reaching or not?
Yes, sir.
Now remaining my equation is what we can write. This is equal to 0 by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Then remaining fellow is what? Who is the remaining?
A power 4 minus 5.
A power 4 minus 5A cube
5a cube minus
minus 8A square plus 2A
2a
minus I.
minus. Don't write is equal to 0. This I want to
Sir.
tell you what. Yes.
So can we transform this one into the characteristic into the
Yeah,
Cayley-Hamilton
yeah.
equation?
Always saying that only. Suppose if I take from here a common means what I will get, tell me.
A cube minus 5a square minus 8a plus 2.
2i.
2i minus I.
Wait, listen. But my characteristic equation is what? Tell me.
A cube minus 5a square plus 7a minus 3i.
Wait. This is okay, happy. This is okay, happy. But I need 7a. But plus 8 minus 8a is there. So what will you do? Yeah,
So take one minus 8.
minus 7a. So what will you tell me? 5a square plus 7a. Minus 7a minus 8a, how much, sir? Hello?
minus 15a.
Minus 15a.
15a minus this is here. I have no right to change the question, but I can do some magic in mathematics. We are not changing the question. I am adding the unnecessary plus a. I will do minus 7a. Already 8a is there. These two fellows, if you add this what? Minus 15a into a how much?
Minus 15a square.
So outside I will write. That you can keep now. Now, next what I want to get? Minus 3i, yeah?
Minus I. Minus I.
Minus I or minus 3i, yeah?
So
Minus I, sir.
Minus 3i
No.
I want.
Minus 3i, sir.
So, minus 3i plus 3i plus 2i. Am I correct? So,
Yes, sir.
this
Sir,
is
you're
okay,
writing A, sir.
happy. This is okay, happy. This is okay, happy. This is not required. Okay, yeah? This is okay.
So minus 3i.
3i, sorry. So, this is required, but this is not required, not required. So, which are not required that you can take? Minus 7a, minus 8a, how much, sir?
Minus 15a.
Minus 16.
15, sir.
15, sir.
Okay. So, a into this fellow is what? A cube minus 5a square plus 7a. What terms are required? That all I will keep inside. Then this is what? Minus 15a into a is what?
Minus 15a square.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Then remaining fellow is what?
3i. Minus 3i.
3a. 3a plus 2a how much?
5i.
5i. 5i into a is there. That
Five-
a is not forget. That
5ia.
5a. Yeah, I into
Minus
a
I.
is equal to a or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus I, sir.
Minus a. So this fellow is equal to what? 0.
0.
Beyond that I can't go. Up to third degree I played, I reached somewhat second degree. Then I will stop. This can I do or not? Already a in your hand is there. A square you can find out. A then you can do. Any doubt?
Sir, a square is.
You have to
5.
find out a square.
Sir, I found, sir.
From a, wait, I'm coming. So this is equal to what?
So minus 15a square plus 5a minus I.
Should not write is equal to 0. This you have to get one matrix value.
Sir, a square shall I tell?
Wait. Copy it, sir. Remaining people copy down fast. Copy it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you please move to the left?
Okay. Sorry. Now okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Carry Completed. Now what you will do? A square you can find out. A already in your hand. Then simplify. What is A square value, sir?
Sir, 544
Wait,
0
5,
1
4,
0
4,
0 1 0 1 0 0
4,
1
4,
0
Ah,
and 4 4 5.
4, 4, 5.
4, 4, 5. A. Who is A?
So 2 1 1
0 1 0
0 1 0
1
1 1
2.
2.
2, 1, 1. Minus side. What is the value of dot, sir?
So minus 66, minus 55, minus 55, 0, minus 11, 0, minus 55, minus 55, and 70, 66, minus 66.
So which is the common? Can you take any common outside?
11.
Sir, minus
11, sir.
11.
Minus 11.
So this fellow is equal to this is. That whole equation, if you expand A power 8, everything, if you miss what, that is nothing but this much. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Pranav is asking if you can upload the lecture because he has some network issue.
What?
Sir, Pranav is asking if you can upload. Pranay is asking if you can upload this lecture after the lecture because he's having
Immediately I
some
am applying, you see. Up to last class is there. Our class videos are uploaded, but I am not giving any headings. Full is there, you see.
Where is it uploaded, sir?
Till today is there, you can go and see.
GCR.
Not GCR, one channel of that GCR, I given playlist. In that go, you can go and see.
Okay, sir.
Our videos on playlist I given, you know.
Yes, sir. He's saying thank you.
That is actually that you can see, because if I go every day uploading every video for 500, 600 MB means what is going space too much. One link I given you see our videos playlist. There you can see every day I'm uploading.
Yes, sir.
In the channel, my channel is there, you know, the Temple of Maths Bapuji Pulepu. And another separate matrices playlist is there, common matrix that's not other than our class. That is fully I have done there also, problems.
Sir, the link is in GCR.
Yeah, our video
Link is in
classes
GCR?
you see. Our video classes playlist I given, you see. Maybe if you join lately, Miss, can you able to see what is on our classroom, everything, what is given, everything, can you able to see or not? No.
Yes, sir, we can see it.
You can see what is the classroom. Suppose if before you coming, if I do something else, can you able to see, you know?
Yes, sir.
Then you can check there. One heading is there, you see, our class video playlist like this. Or something I given like that name.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. We got it, sir.
Yeah. Because headings I am not changing because no time, every day I am changing date and every hour, day, what is the day, what is the topic I am doing. I am not description anything, just date I put it and uploading immediately. Now, take A is equal to 3, 1, 1, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 3. So you have to do and show me one by one. Go up in your video and show the notes. Fine.
So what is it? 1 minus 3. The last line is what? 1 minus 3.
Minus 1, 3.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I can see it.
See, verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Hence, find A inverse. Do all of you and show one by one. 5 minutes. I'll come back. After that, I will ask one by one. I will ask you how to show. Open your video and show the notes.
Sir, what we have to find, sir?
Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem and then hence find A inverse.
Okay, thanks, bro.
Those are completed. Tell me. Open your video and show me.
Scan copy.
Those are completed. You can tell me.
Sir,
Yes.
so the characteristic equation is lambda cube minus 11 lambda square plus 25 lambda plus 70.
No, I don't know actually. They are not given answer. A inverse only given. Find A inverse and tell me.
Okay.
Any one of you confirm that. Wait, I will take comment.
So it's wrong, sir. It's a cube minus it's lambda cube minus 11 lambda square plus 38 lambda plus 40. Someone confirm.
Check.
Minus 40.
Minus, I think 30 is the I coefficient.
Sir, I'm getting lambda cube minus 11 lambda square plus 40 lambda minus 48
No,
equal to 0.
I think it's wrong.
Means
Sir, anyone
38
complete?
lambda plus 40.
38 lambda minus 40.
38 lambda minus 40.
Minus 40 plus 40.
Minus 40.
Minus 40.
Okay.
Those are completed. You can show me. One minus 3. This one you got 8, 3 plus 8, 8 plus 3, 11. This one is 11. Nobody told 11 actually.
So lambda cube minus 11 lambda square plus 38 lambda minus 40i equals to 0.
48. Okay. What is A inverse? 0.
Finding, sir.
Okay, do. A inverse you can find out. Verification you can do later. At least directly you can do A inverse.
That's 1 by 40 into Sir,
Yes, tell me.
it's like 1 by 40 into like matrix 14 minus 4 minus 6 282 minus 4 4 16.
Wrong. I got 1 by 20 into first row is 7 minus 2 minus
7
3.
minus 2 minus 3 1 4 1 minus 2 2 8.
8. Absolutely correct, sir. Tell me again.
Sir, 1 by 20 into 7 minus 2 minus 3 1 4 1 minus 2 2 8.
Show your video on. Notes you can show. Right, sir. Good, sir. Very correct. Absolutely right. Then only Albin Muhammad only completed. Remaining people leaving the meeting actually one by one. $71 completed. Page number 71.
No, sir.
Okay, do. 72. 72.
Huh?
Not complete.
Huh?
73. Oh. 103. What you want?
Sir, can you confirm a square value?
A square I don't know. I have only A inverse only. A inverse what he said is correct. No, don't do yaar. Verification don't do.
Sir,
Just you can go A inverse.
sir, first of all, the equation that everybody was agreeing upon, it was wrong. The equation that verifies Cayley-Hamilton theorem is lambda cube minus 11 lambda square plus 40 lambda minus 48 equal to 0.
Okay.
It verifies.
Then A inverse you can find.
Yes, sir.
No
So
need
the
to verify. Just you can tell the equation.
Yes, sir. I will tell you, but I had to verify because because we were getting a lot of equations, different equations.
Yeah.
And I was getting something else.
Okay. But already told one correct equation. Listen, A inverse correct answer given Albin. Maybe what is your A equation, sir, Albin?
What, sir?
What is your characteristic equation?
Lambda cube minus 11 lambda square plus 38 lambda minus 40.
Plus
Yeah,
38.
that's what I got, sir. Same equation.
Minus 40.
Same
Plus
equation.
38
No.
lambda minus 40.
Lambda cube minus lambda square
Plus 38 minus 40.
plus 38 lambda minus 40. So this
Yes, sir.
equation is correct, sir.
Yes, sir. That's what I got.
Sir, the one I'm getting is giving me
You are
the
not getting
theorem.
38, I think so, then wrong. 11 you have to get that directly can see.
Yes, sir. I'm
A1
getting
is
11, sir. 3 plus
Then
5 plus 3. I'm getting.
M11, M22, M33 can do. This is
Sir, I will
correct.
find A inverse and tell you. Just a second, sir.
Okay. You don't get if it is not correct means you don't get. But it's verified, huh?
Yes, sir. It's getting me 0.
Then somewhere maybe you're done. Okay, wait. Because he got same answer what is in textbook. Sir, anyone completed?
So I'm getting 1 by 40 into 42 minus 4 minus 6.
42.
2, yeah.
42 you don't get. 14 you will get.
Sir, I'm getting 1 by 20 into 7 minus 2 minus 3, 141 minus 2, 28.
Correct, sir. Absolutely correct. Rashid Sharma, you are correct.
Okay, sir.
Sir, that is the answer, sir. Anyone got?
Yes, I got.
Yes, sir. I got.
The same answer.
Tell me.
Minus Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Sir, 1 by 20
Yeah, hearing. Tell me.
into 7 minus 2 minus 3, 141 minus 2, 28.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Rahul Devulpalli. Correct, sir.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I too got the same.
Tell me what's in.
1 by 20 into 7 minus 2 minus 3, 141 minus 2, 28.
Okay. Right. Then
Sir, I got 1 by 40, 14 minus minus 6,
Maha 14
14 minus 4 minus 4,
minus 4, after that minus 6.
then 2 minus 2, 2.
No.
2, 8 minus 2.
2, 8, 2 minus 4, 4, 16. You will get 1 by 40 means. 2
Yes,
you can take.
I'm getting that 1 by 40 into this.
But 2 also you can take common and tell me. Every
Yes,
element
sir.
is 2 common.
The last row is minus 4, 4, 16.
Correct. That is 1 by 40 means.
Yes.
So it's 1 by 40 into 16 minus 4 minus 6, 2, 8, 2 minus 4, 4, 16. I made mistake in determination, sir.
Okay.
I was getting minus 42. 1 by 42.
1 by 42 you don't get that. Again check.
No, sir.
Sir, even
I
I've
made
got it now,
mistake.
sir.
Now I corrected it, sir.
Okay. Then completed.
Sir,
Yeah.
it is 1 by 40 into 14 minus 4 minus 6, 2, 8, 2 minus 4, 4, 16.
You can take 2 also common for everywhere 2 is there in a whole matrix. 2 you can take common.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
if we take 2 common, it is 1 by 20 into
7 minus 2 minus 3, 1, 4, 1, minus 2, 2,
Absolutely
8.
correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't leave the meet, sir. You have to give the attendance. Somebody is leaving, coming, leaving, coming. Anyone completed?
Yes, sir, I complete.
Yeah, tell me.
1 by 20 into 7 minus 2 minus 3, 1, 4, 1 minus 2, 8.
Characteristic equation is what?
Yes, sir.
Characteristic equation.
So your voice is not audible, sir.
Characteristic equation. What is the characteristic equation?
A cube minus 11a square plus 38a minus 40.
Okay. No. Somebody given answer. He is not given. Shivam Gorpadi. You got a servant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is A inverse?
1 by
Sir,
20.
Wait.
sorry, please continue.
Wait, Aditya. Servant, tell me.
7 minus 2 minus 3, 1, 4, 1, minus 2, 2, 8.
Okay.
Sir, the determinant I am getting is 48.
No, wrong. Think again.
Sir,
What
I'm
is
getting
the
40.
matrix you can read? What matrix are taken?
Sir, so 3, 1, 1, minus 1, 5, 1, 1, minus 1.
No. Minus 1, 5, minus 1. That's why I got getting wrong. Second row is minus 5, minus 1, 5, minus 1. See the board?
Sir, now I got the correction.
Okay, sir, I'll solve. Just a second.
Okay.
Sir, 1 by 20, 7 minus 2 minus 3, 1, 4, 1, minus 2, 2, 8.
Minus 2, 2, 2.
Minus 2, 2, 8.
So characteristic equation you have asked now. Lambda q minus 11 lambda 2 plus 38 lambda minus 40 is equal to 0.
Okay. What are you doing up to now?
Sir, determinant is 41.
No, 40.
40. Sir, sorry, 40.
Yes, sir, I've got it now. Sorry for the confusion.
No problem. Make it cut me, send up, I'm happy. Why sorry? Anish Singh, what do you want? You want to show? Ainesh Singh.
Sir, can I read mine?
Yeah.
1 by 20 into 7 minus 2 minus 3, 1, 3, 1.
No. 1?
1, 3.
3, no, wrong.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I got the answer. 1 by 20 into 7 minus 2 minus 3, 141 minus 2, 28.
Okay. I told you people could show the video. Nobody is showing. On your video and show the notes. What you want, Ayush Agarwal?
Sir, I will show the video.
Completely.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, yes. Move top, move top. Left, left. Bring this side, right side, right side. Close to camera. Okay, sir.
Can I show a copy now?
Move top. No, that top. Close to camera. Okay, ma. Right. Right. Anyone completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
back, sir. We already gave you
You
answer.
given Rahul Devulpalli. Super, sir. Nice. Excellent view. Good. Thank you.
Sir, I got the answer. Can I show you?
Sure. Yes. Correct.
Can I say the answer, sir?
Arvindan Vishwakarma. Move top. Super, sir. Good. Good, sir. Nice. Try, don't sit idly. Due to network, I'm not taking us. Don't waste time. At least try one problem strictly. Then anyone? Ainesh Singh, completed? Your video is on a very dark. You are in very dark room. Are you there?
Sorry, sir.
You are there, but your video is on, but very darkly showing. Completed, left, Ainesh.
Hello. Hello.
Completed, sir.
Okay, can you see my notebook? I am not finished actually. I'm just showing my notebook.
No, show. But if it's very dark, I'm not able to see anything. Black color.
One second, sir. I'll. Now, sir.
No, but some screening, some shades are coming like rainbow colors.
I don't know. There must be something wrong with the
No
camera.
problem. Okay, can close. No problem. But completed, Same on.
I'm working on it, sir.
Okay, then work it.
Sir, can I show?
Yeah, show, yeah. Aditya Davalikar.
Yes, sir.
Close. Wait. 21. Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
So can I show?
Yeah. Welcome, sir. Most welcome, sir.
Oh, wait.
Done, sir. Can I show?
Already shown, Servant Dishbone. Yes.
So can I show?
Yeah. Utkarsh Chauhan.
So
No, that is you change your background properties.
Now, sir.
Close. Keep close. Very good, sir. What is okay? Abhinanda.
You can see mine.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, then.
So can you see now?
Move this right side. Right side, right. Completed, sir. Anyone? Remaining people? Doing or not? Just sitting idly?
Doing it, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I show my work?
Ah. Yes.
I don't know if it's visible.
Close.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Come to close. Come to closure, I said. Don't close the video.
Oh, sorry, sir. I misunderstood. Actually, so this camera is.
Come down. Yeah, good. But 7 minus 2 minus 3 1 4 1 minus 2 2 8. Correct, sir.
Can I close now?
Yes, now you can close.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, give attendance, sir. 71.
Yes, sir. Present.
72.
Present, sir.
73. 74.
Present, sir.
75.
Present, sir.
76. 77. 77. Tamil Nadu, what is your number?
Sir, 81, sir.
78.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
80.
Present, sir.
81. 81. 82.
Present, sir.
83.
Present, sir.
84.
84 present, sir.
85.
Present, sir.
86. 87.
Present, sir.
88.
Present, sir.
89.
Present, sir.
90.
Present, sir.
91. 91. 91. 92. 93.
Present.
94.
Present, sir.
95. 95. 96.
Present, sir.
97.
Present, sir.
98.
Present, sir.
99.
Present, sir.
100. 101.
Present, sir.
2, 102. 102, I think. See. 103.
present, sir. 102 present.
103.
103 present.
102 present.
Okay. 103 present.
Present.
104.
Present, sir. Present.
105.
Present, sir.
106.
Present, sir.
107.
Present, sir.
108.
Present, sir.
109.
Present, sir.
110.
Present,
Sir.
sir.
111.
Present, sir.
112.
Present, sir.
113. 113.
Sir.
Yes.
77 present, sir.
What are you doing?
Sir, network problem, sir.
Okay. 113. 113. Okay. Then 5401 series. 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
'Hello, sir. 95 present, sir.
wait, sir. 95.
Yes,
What
sir.
are you doing?
Sir, network issue.
Don't tell, sir, because life is with network only now. You have to adjust. 5410 series 11, 12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, 21 not there. 21 is there. 21? No. 22? 22.
Sir, Navneet is
Sir, he
having
just
some
left
network
the
issues.
meeting.
Sir, he is here.
He has network issues.
Network issues
20.
for Navneet, sir.
22 is here. Huh?
Sir, he was
Sir.
here, huh? He's
Okay.
having some network issues.
23?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 24?
Present, sir.
23 is what lady voice coming? Two girls. 23? Praj Chandak. I think his mother is giving attendance, I think so. 24 is there. Ainesh Singh. 25?
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Where are you, 25? Shahid Ansari, yeah?
Yeah.
26?
Present, sir. Present, sir.
27? Not there, I think so. 28?
Present, sir.
I seen 28. Acha. Now absents are, now you can tell me 76, 86, 91, 92, 100, 113, 5401 series 11, 21, 27.
Sir, 11 present, sir. Hello, sir.
5401.
Yes, sir. 11 present, sir.
Okay. Then 5401, everyone present. Other 21, 27, okay, discontinued. Remaining people present. Then 2401 series, something is 0201. That series 76, 86, 91, 92, 100, 113. Anyone is here? Okay, sir, then you can leave, sir. Those are not completed, you can complete the problem.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.